Now to another frightening road rage case. Police searching for a man in Washington, D.C. who opened fire into traffic after appearing to get cut off. This comes just days after that other tragic case in California that left a 6-year-old boy dead. Kaylee Hartung has more from Orange, California. Good morning, Kaylee.
Robin, it's a parent's worst nightmare. This is a memorial for that 6-year-old boy, Aiden Leos. We're just above the freeway where his life was cut short. Now investigators are working coast to coast to try to solve these violent crimes.
This morning, a road rage shooting caught on camera in Washington, D.C. After appearing to get cut off in traffic, this man gets out of his vehicle. He approaches the car in front of him and opens fire. As that car flees, he turns his gun on the traffic behind him. Police are searching for the suspect. This comes just days after the fatal road rage tragedy in Southern California, where 6-year-old Aiden Leos was shot and killed in the back seat of his mother's car.
He was beautiful and he was kind and he was precious. And you killed him for no reason.
Joanna Clunan was driving her son to kindergarten on Friday when she says a white sedan attempted to cut her off. A single shot was fired, piercing the trunk, striking Aiden in his car seat. Police are asking witnesses to come forward with dashcam video, and the family's now offering a $50,000 reward for information leading to an arrest. Parents at the boys' school also pleading for help.
You killed the child, so somebody has to know something, and that can't sit well.
There's no indication that Aiden's mother did anything wrong or could have done anything to prevent this tragedy. Now, just as millions get ready to hit the road for this upcoming holiday weekend, authorities are urging drivers to be aware of your surroundings. And they say if you feel you're at risk, drive to a public place like a hospital or a police station. Guys.
Good advice there, Kaylee. Thanks very much.